Hey guys, I have some unboxing to do for my RV, my 22 MLE Imagine XLS. I'm in it right now, and it's amazing. This stuff may not be as exciting, but I wanted to unbox everything I get for this thing because it's fun. So let's start. This is all from Amazon, by the way. Box number one. Oh, here we go. This is really exciting. We have a sewer hose to dump the black and gray tanks. That's really exciting. I got the Camco one because it has the clear adapters, and I think, yeah, over here there's like a clear 90, so that's awesome. Put this away. Well, that's loud. All right, box number two. That was loud too. Jesus, dropping everything. Let's see what's in this one. Hopefully this is RV stuff. Oh, okay. We have water pressure regulator for the RV. Let's see. If this one doesn't work that well, I might get the one with the gauge so I can adjust it, but people recommended this, and this was cheap. I think this was like $30. I'm sorry, like $8. The fancy one's $30. And I think the sewer hose was $40 or $50. What else is in here? We have, oh, okay, so this is kind of RV stuff. Yeah, it is. Let me show you guys what this is. So this nifty little thing, it's a, can't really tell. This is a tabletop tripod, which is cool because I don't really have one. I just have big tripods. And this is an adapter to hold your cell phone. And then on here, if I can just open it, it also has a screw-in like other tripods, so I can put my GoPro on it. So that's cool. Alright, so loud. Okay, and this is cute. Let me get rid of this. This is my backsplash for the kitchen. Let's open that. Sorry, my camera's shaking. I don't have it on a proper mount today. Well, luckily, I just got a tripod. Here we go. So there's obviously more than I need, but whatever, I'll spares. Subway. And I wanted the black looking grout. So cute. I think there's like 10 sheets. I probably literally need like 2. I think I'm only gonna do behind the stove. I'm not gonna do the sink because I feel like when you cut it out around the windows over here, the curves, it doesn't look as good. So anyway, that's fun. Another box. It's like Christmas kinda. Alright, what's in here? I don't even remember. So loud. Ooh, bubbles. Oh, well, this one isn't very exciting. This is freshwater hose. Ooh. That's another thing that's important. They said always have a separate freshwater hose and a separate sewer hose. And I ordered one of those too. I think that one's gray, so they're like totally different colors. All right, last box. Little guy. So this I got for the backsplash. A lot of people say some of them don't stick as well, so I'm just gonna spray individual sheets before I put them up so I don't have to worry about it. And they said that this one was the good one. So that's it for today. Now I'm gonna play with some of this stuff. Thanks for watching.